All right. Got as much as I was going to get done today because I got a big old mess I got to clean up. What it do, people? What's up? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E. And we on this 2010-11 Ford Taurus that we picked up from Copart. Like I said in the last video. In this video, I'm going to attempt to remove the interior. Get all that moldy stuff outside the garage. Because it is snowing out there. Because it is that time of the season. And you have four 13 millimeters for the base of the seat. And you got another 13 millimeter for the seat belt that's attached to the seat. And you do have a wire you got to unplug that goes to the seat belt. So, let's jump on into this one.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got...
Okay. Whew, that was a pain in my butt. Would be nice if I had my own shop. Have a lot more space. Trying to maneuver around all this stuff in this garage. It's a pain in my butt. Now I'm going to rip out these back seats. So we got the front seats out. I need these door cards off. Need these seats out. All these seats. So let's keep on rocking.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a...
And now, so we got the seats out. It's time to get rid of these plastics with all this mold on it. Just be straightforward. Gonna rip all the plastic out. Don't got no space over here. And I don't really gotta be all that delicate. Now we got a screw in it. It might be a 7 millimeter. Let me check. Yep, 7. Okay, come back to that one. Line up here in the front. Oh. You know, taking off the weather strip. Oh, this shit is garbage. Should be another 7 in here. I'll take this off. Ooh. The seat belt, and those seats is little latches in the front. Seat belt like T47. Or a T50. I'm gonna grab one or the other. I'm gonna grab all of them. Grab both my drills. Oh, I do not like wearing this mask. I can barely breathe. Sorry, I don't got all my tools together. Start with a T50. Correct, the Mundo. T50. Okay. That's not strong enough. So let's get back to work. right. Got as much as I was going to get done today, because I got a big old mess I got to clean up. Trying to watch where I step. I was looking for my light. Yep, so we got the headliner out. Most all the plastics going to the back is out. Seats out. All I got left is the center console and dash. And not to mention the whole engine, still to get parts off of there. But I want to try to see some before we end this, because GoPro battery about to go dead. Look up on there, look at all that moisture. All that water. Got mold on the airbags. They wet, dripping wet. Was a flood car, but I don't know how you get moisture in the headliner. Car still run. But that's a lot of water. Yeah, I can see that. That's a lot of water. Up in the headliner. No wonder this car molded like that. And I do believe the vent up there, the vent for the cow to drain was clogged up, so all the water was coming in over here, because this side still is wet. The floor. But we're going to have to call that a wrap for today, because I got other things I need to do. Or I could start a whole nother video. Keep kicking these videos back out again like I used to when I was younger, when I first started this channel. Before these batteries go dead, let me say my kudos. So, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we're doing over here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers on your social media. It'd be truly appreciated. We have merch not like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. It's links in the description area below. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!